So hello guys, today I will be showing you how to convert this bad quality video to a 4K quality video. So first get your clips in After Effects and then drag it into the composition and then make an adjustment layer by right-clicking. Then head over to Topaz and import your clip. And then use these Topaz settings and export. While it's exporting, if this video helped your editing skills to grow, please subscribe. We are really close to 2.6K subscribers. Now import your clip to After Effects and scale it to 50% or until it fits to your composition. After that, add your CC and you're done. Thanks for watching.